Remember this little guy? This is little Sincere. He was on the cover of Time magazine. It's day 1000 of the Flint water crisis. That is your face. And we're checking in to see how he's doing. That's tonight at 6. What are you doing? Now, one toddler became the poster child for the water crisis when Time magazine put him on its cover. His mom moved when the problems with the contaminated water overwhelmed them. Well, today I paid a visit to little Sincere and talked to his mom about her hopes of moving back home to Flint.
A steady stream flowing through a filter as 3-year-old Sincere helps his mom.
I don't want to get my hands dirty. You don't have to.
Even out here, like, we have bottled water. We still got a filter on our sink, you know, just because we don't know, you know. And I don't want to go through what we went through before.
A cut too deep for Ariana Hawk, still using filters in her temporary home, a home miles away from Flint and Swartz Creek. Her Flint home sits empty, only filled with the hope that one day its occupants will return.
We moved just to help Sincere out, and so my other kids wouldn't have to go through the bathing with the bottled water, cooking with the bottled water, you know, experiencing life, brushing teeth with a bottled water.
Using the bottled water just an inconvenience compared to what she says the water flowing from the tap did to Sincere.
He don't have to take the steroids that much. He don't have to use the ointments, you know. His skin is like smooth, like really smooth compared to what it was just like 1,000 days ago. It was just like a rough, scaly, you know, blister, and he had all this going on.
Push this button right here.
Sincere is almost unrecognizable to the child once gracing the February 2016 cover of Time magazine. He's energetic, loves to laugh, and he definitely has a lot to say.
Basketball, and we got a hoop there, and we got
He's not scared of the water as he was just when we was in Flint. I mean, I've seen a lot in Sincere change since we've been out here.
Wait, Mom, I'm going to old stuff.
But this family is ready to wash their hands of this current living situation in Ariana's mom's apartment, believing there's an end in sight and they will eventually move back home to Flint.
Not in a million years that I think we would still be going through the water crisis 1,000 days later.
Ariana told me she plans to move back home even before the pipes are replaced. She's having a purification system installed on her house. Meantime, residents still living off of bottled water rely on local churches to provide their most basic of needs.